Hello everyone, let's start with the lesson number 9 of our special SQL series, in which I am going to teach you the function of area. By using this area function, you can calculate any kind of area of a polygon geometry. So it can be land parcels, agricultural fields, forests, your houses, your city, your country's areas. It can be anything, but it needs to be a polygon geometry. So what is ST area? ST area calculates the area of a polygon geometry, and it has a specific distance for which you have to firstly write ST area, and then in square brackets you have to give the geometric column of your table. So firstly we need to create a table with the name of the land parcels. So let's just run this query. The table will be created. We firstly need to write create table, then the name of the table, and then in square brackets we need to write the columns with their data types. The land parcels table has been created. Now we need to insert the data in our land parcels table. This is the query. We firstly have to write insert into, then the name of the table, and then the columns in which we want to insert the data. Then we need to write values, and then in square brackets we are giving only one record. The name of the parcel is farm A, and then we are using this function which will convert your text into geometry. Basically we are giving latitude and longitude, and then this function, what will can this function do? It will convert your text into geometry. As I am writing polygon here, so this is converting it will convert your coordinates into a polygon geometry. Okay, so let's just insert the data in our table. 4326 mean WGS 84 means your geometry is in GCS. Now for the area calculation, we need to write ST area before our geom column, and before that we need to transform our geometry from GCS to PCS, means to say we are converting our data from one coordinate system to another. This is the ST transform query. It has been explained in one of my video. You can see it from there. So let's run this query. The area has been calculated in square meters. If you want to calculate your area in square kilometers, then you have to divide your data from 10 lakhs. So you basically just need to copy this line here. Now the area will be in square kilometers. There is an error. I have basically write this slash divide sign 2 times here. The area of farm A has been calculated in square kilometers. And if you want to calculate your area in hectares, then you need to divide your geometry column or your resulted query by 10,000. Now the area will be calculated in hectares. The area of farm A is 145 hectares. Okay, there are multiple applications of these functions. It can calculate the farm area, and it can be used in crop monitoring domain. It can calculate residential plots areas. It can calculate the forest coverage, but you just need a polygon around your forest coverage. And it can also calculate your lake area, your wetland area, your protected areas. So there are multiple applications of this function in real world problems.